Sekuphele unyaka indle igeleza kanje eKenville eThekwini emuva komonakalo wezikhukhula. NgoNhlolanja i-ActionSA yanquma ukuthatha inyathelo zomthetho isola umasipala wetheku ngokubeka impilo zabantu engcupheni nongayikhathaleli inqalasizinda. Iqembu lithi umasipala wabanxusa ukuba udaba lidingidwe ngaphandle kwenkantolo uzobahlinzeka ngohlelo lwabo lokulungisa inqalasizinda kanti uyabakhohlisa.
It's been months now waiting for this plan. They keep asking for extension, that they're going to give us a plan. And when deadline was due around May, they said we must give them more time because they were busy with water crisis in Tuzuma. Now you ask yourself, how can you say because pipes have been burst in Tuzuma, so therefore we must wait for the plan.
Umnqwango uthi umasipala wathola imali engango-1.5 billion wamarandi eminyangweni wezokubusa ngokubambisana esifundazweni yokulungisa inqalasizinda. Kwathiwa u-220 million wamarandi wokulungisa amapayipi athutha indle.
It's clear that money in a plan is not going to help the people here until there's implementation, and that doesn't seem to be happening. So we are hoping to now proceed with the matter and obtain a special allocation so that we can get an order to compel the implementation of the plan.
Iqembu lizohlangana nethimba labameli ukucubungula amaphepha elizowafaka enkantolo.